Hi guys, welcome back to Nikita's Corner Cooking, Baking and Toys. Today we're gonna do our experiment, and if you're wondering what I'm playing with, it is slime made without borax and glue. You wanna know how to make it? Let's make it. First, you need some acetone. Acetone is basically just nail polish remover and a cup and some styrofoam. You can find it like anywhere. Pour your acetone into the bowl and then take a styrofoam piece and put it in the acetone. It's like bubbling, and acetone and styrofoam have a chemical reaction. Because of the acetone, the styrofoam melted. The styrofoam has melted. Then it's like this. That's how we got our slime. You can stretch it out. Keep it aside. Take your other styrofoam piece, break it into little pieces and add it to your bowl of acetone. It can smell a bit like I'm coughing now. You can see that. And now I'm gonna mix my new slime with the older slime I made with a styrofoam. It's so cool. It's like this. It's like this. It's melted. That's so cool. Right? That's so cool. Now, take the melted styrofoam. Just play with for like 10 seconds. Then mix it with my older styrofoam slime. You can use how much ever styrofoam and acetone as you want. If you're making like big batches, like just for fun with your cousins, you can buy more acetone and styrofoam. I'm gonna add my styrofoam. Like, I saw this in YouTube and I was like so mesmerized by seeing it. And now we don't have to just watch it, we can just make it. It's gonna slowly melt. Take your melted styrofoam, just like push it down for the excess acetone water for it to go. Then take your other styrofoam piece and add it to the acetone. The more styrofoam you add, the acetone is gonna get less because the styrofoam is absorbing the acetone. Don't give acetone to little kids like 3 years or 5 years. They can like swallow it or something. If 3 or 5-year-old kids are doing it, please take your mother's help. Now we got a big batch of slime. And I have my last piece of styrofoam. If you leave the slime out for like 10 or 20 minutes, it's gonna dry out a little bit, but you can just stretch it out again and it will get soft. Press it down. And press if like your styrofoam is bit hard and it's like taking time for it to melt, just press it down gently with 2 fingers. And now again make your styrofoam into the styrofoam slime. And now your slime is ready. You can play with it as much as you want. But don't forget to wash your hands after playing with the acetone, because acetone has some chemicals. Like, even if it's acetone free, it's a nail polish remover, right? And see how it stretches. It's like plastic. If I stretch it, like I'm stretching it like this, like this, and the like this clear thing is like drying. So if that happens, put your slime back into the acetone bowl and it will melt. It will get back the way it was. Bye guys.